Hello? Testing. 1, 2, 3. I can't tell if you can hear it, but while recording, there were kids playing outside, cars passing by, dishes are being washed, the radio is playing out loud, and my electric fan is close to me. As you can hear right now in this recording, my noise-proof microphone was able to reduce the amount of surround sound, and it's focused only on my voice. Now, it may still be collecting some surround sound, but not as much as it used to. Now, here's a cleaner version of my recording. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3. As you can hear right now, only my voice can be heard. Why is it like that? Well, of course, I edited the audio. Allow me to let you know the mic is noise-proof, not sound-proof. It still needs to collect sound. It may not completely reduce the amount of sound as I hoped for, but at least I was able to make it focus only on my voice. Now, here's a tip that I learned from the audio editors. The less noise you reduce throughout your recording, the less work you'll have to do for your audio editing. Now, I'm guessing that you are wondering, why can't I just try to find a way to completely avoid any background noises, so I don't have a need to edit my audio? Trust me, I have, for almost a month. I have researched, experimented, and tested any possible way to reduce my background noises. And according to most of my research, there were some that have good suggestions, maybe some cheap methods, but it still required me to spend money. I know most are cheap, but still it was going to cost me a lot depending on the amount of materials. I tried different types of methods, and I only found a few ideas until I decided to improvise with whatever I can find here at home. I know that nowadays many jobs or school projects or even assignments require us to have certain materials or equipment that we need to do the job right. And I bet many of us tried our best to find alternative ways without the need to spend so much. Now, in this video I have shared with you, it was only to share some ideas and inspiration that you can use for your own projects. Now, I do not recommend you to fully follow my craft. In other words, you don't have to copy me, but make use of what you have learned from this video and add it to your own ideas. Who knows? Maybe you can make a better version of the noise-proof microphone. Try to improvise and get creative. I hope this video would be useful to you, and I wish you good luck. Also, before I end this video, allow me to give you a tip. Audio editing is still necessary, especially when you need to edit your bloopers or other audio files. So I recommend you to try Audacity. It is an audio editing application only for your computer. It is free and easy to use. I will leave a link to the website where you can download it and a video tutorial in the description down below. Thanks for watching!